Hi, now we're back. So we have all of our walls at the concrete walls of this building. And then I want to switch back down to the top of footing here. And I've got columns running right about through here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a grid. I'm going to do a grid line. It wasn't, I remember it wasn't right on this line, but I'm going to put it there just for the heck of it. So we got a grid line here, a column line here, and then I think I remember saying, let's just do this. I'm sorry. I had one here, and they were spanned out at every 10 feet. So I'm going to just do an offset. I'll do this. Create similar. And I'm going to pick it and offset it 10 feet. There's one there, one there. Now, from what I remember, this was closer, so I don't know if I got the span right, but I'm gonna leave it there for now. So there you go. So we have our grid in here now. So let's go place some columns. So we're gonna insert an old family. Excuse me. And now here in Revit 2023, you go right out on cloud. So I'm gonna go columns. So columns, time to get used to this. Now these are not the proper columns. I want to go to structural framing. So let's go back. To structural columns. And we're going to go rectangular wood. I think I'll find it one day. So wood, rectangular wood. Did I pass it? Pipe, materials, these, gauge letters, that's equal angles, just structural timber, man. I would go with a HSS because, okay, that might be it. There we go, lumber. My bad. Then we're gonna load this in. And then I'm gonna go grab a 8x8 inch. Wow, we don't even make that here, this side in dimension lumber. Interesting. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cancel that for the moment. And I'm gonna try this one more time because maybe I picked the wrong type lumber. Well, a lot of times you can just dimension number double southern pine. Okay, let's go with the southern pine. And do I get my 8x8 here? Yes. So we got an 8x8 inch column wood. And these are not columns, these are beams. Cancel, my bad. I don't want to have to make this video over, so people please bear with me. So I'm gonna go load a family from the Autodesk cloud and oh, right there. My goodness. I'm getting bad, folks. Timber column. Load. Okay, my goodness, there it is, the 8x8. My God, thank you. You're gonna load that one in, okay. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go into my structure tab and I'm gonna column. And I got that 8x8, so I'm gonna on grids, and I'm gonna just go, and there are my columns. Uh-oh. Now we gotta remember where these columns are going, so hopefully I place them in the right place. So let's go to my 3D view. They're looking good, so they're going right. Uh-oh. Nope, they're not. So I want to grab them all, select all instances, project, and then I want to go, see, that's wrong. This is top level is okay. This is all turned around. So they went down and they should have went up. So what we do here is my base level is top of footing. My base offset here for my top level is going to be grade, and this base offset will be 0. And then we click apply. Now those should go up higher. So let's take these up to first level, the floor level. So there's our columns in there. So we'll go back into our floor plan here, our top of footing. And so there are columns here. So now we want to go and place our column footings, our pads. So I'm going to go here and isolate it. That's too big. Okay, so I'm going to just do what we did before here. I'm going to just go and place one in here. I think what's going on here with this building, we got a lot of, okay, so I'm going to put that there. I want to select it, and we definitely don't need it to be that big. It probably should just be a 4x4. So I'm going to go and edit this type, and I'll duplicate it. We all know how to do this. So we'll call this, let's say 4x4. We'll say OK. And then we'll change the, we'll leave the thickness, we'll make the thickness 12 inches. The width, we'll make it 24. No, why did I say 4x4? Okay, this should be 48 inches, my bad. And then this one is going to also be 48 inches. Okay, so there's, looks pretty, nah, we can go with that. And I'm going to just copy these guys over. And this is basically how you would do a foundation now. Now we got an opening here, we got windows here. I don't know if they're at this level. Let me see. Well, we gotta have a door opening down here because you're going in the basic level. Okay, now once we get our footing and our columns in, it's time to do our floor. So we wanna go here, I wanna go structural floor. And here I just wanna, let's see what we got to work with here. Generally, it's about 6 inches of concrete here. So we're going to just go and just pick walls here. Just pick all these walls. Just do this in the plan view. Okay, we'll pick this one. And then this span direction will go the shortest distance here. So now I'm going to finish this. Okay, now there's our basement. And now next we want to add these cavity walls. We want to get those started here. So what I'll do is I'll go to grade. I like to always keep my elevation up and see what's going on there. So this is going to be where our grade starts, where we start a cavity wall. So I'm going to go back to the grade level here. And what I'm going to do for this, I'm going to go displace a wall. So we go to structural wall. And I'm going to displace this wall right here outside here. And then I'm going to select this wall. See, it's close to what I want. So I'm going to edit this type and I'll duplicate it. And I'll call this exterior brick on brick, which will be cavity wall. That would be 4 inches and 2 inches of airspace. And I'll say OK. And then here I need to change the structure. So on this outside layer, actually, there's a lot of this stuff can go away because this is cavity. So, wow. And that's going to be 12 inches. So right now, I'm going to get rid of this finish. I don't need it. And then membrane layer, I don't need that either. Now we got, wait a minute. Let me cancel this and look at this again here. Let's edit this type. So we got gypsum wallboard, plywood sheeting. You know what? It's probably easier to do. I'm going to do this. I'm going to cancel this out. And it's probably easier to just go in here and just take a generic wall. I'm going to wall, structure, and I'm going to go with a generic one. Generic 12 inch. And let's place it right here. And I will edit this type. And I will duplicate it. Call it cavity wall or whatever. And you're going to say OK here. And then I'm going to edit it. And what I want to do is I want to do a preview here. And then I want to see you want to see the section view so we can see what we're doing here. So here we just got this structure. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to do it. I'm going to insert 2 layers. 1, 2. This first one, I'm going to make this brick. Okay, so I'll take that and we'll use rendered appearance. We'll apply and say OK. So we've got our 1 layer brick there and we need to give it a depth. So we're going to say this is 4 inches. Okay, and then here with another one, brick here. Okay. So now we've got our layer of brick here, but this is going to be 4 inches as well. And I'm going to go OK. Oh, what's happening there? Okay. So now we've got this. I'm going to make this airspace here in the middle. I probably should have put something in there, some kind of concrete, but I'm going to just go with the brick again here. No, I want to go to airspace. My bad. Yep, just air. Yep. And then we're going to give that 4 inches. No, let's give it 2 inches. Okay. So we got 2 inches of airspace, and our walls are, I think I measured these walls are what, 4? They're 10 inches. So let's give it another, geez, sorry folks. I'm gonna make this 4 just for now, just so, and we can always change it later. I'm gonna make this 4 inches so we can have a 1 foot wall thick, because that's how thick the wall is. So I'm gonna go apply and OK. So now what I want to do is I'm going to take this wall and place it in here at center line. So I'll go here. I'm on the wall. Nope. Architecture wall. Structure wall. I'm sorry. Nope, that's not the one. It's the cavity wall. And then I want to go at center line. There's one there. Okay, now what we need to do is up to level. Okay, let's see. I don't know where we're going with this. I should have checked first, but what I'll do is look at it in 3D. And if we got to do it again, we do it again. So we've got this here done now, hopefully. And we close it off. So let's see what's happening in 3D view. Uh-oh. So these guys are at the wrong location or level. So I'm just delete these out. Or these are ones we were playing with earlier on the side. So I'm gonna go back to my grade level here. And we need to just fix these guys over here. Just join them together. Okay, what's going on here? Sorry about the background noise. Oh, there you go. Oh, nope, didn't get it. But anyway, we've got this level done now. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we would frame this guy up. So thanks for watching. So now we have the basement done. And next we'll add framing. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and please subscribe. It helps me do videos like this every day. Thanks again. Bye. Be safe.